If you wish to be effective, you must not tell these secrets to anyone. The effective people in our world have reached the effective life they live today precisely because they did not reveal these secrets to anyone. These effective things are a part of your life that you must not share with anyone. In today's world, where everyone on social media talks about their daily activities, keeping these things as a secret, hiding them from people's eyes, enables you to become effective. In particular, these are considered the primary secrets of effectiveness, rooted in ancient Stoic philosophy. As you spend time with me today, I will tell you these 6 secrets of success. Stay with me. The first secret to being effective, which you must not tell anyone, is do not express your self-doubt to anyone. Do not say things like, "I can't do this. How can I manage this? This is too difficult for me." Or, "What if I fail?" Even if you harbor doubts internally, keeping them to yourself is one of the primary secrets of success. When you share these things with others, it diminishes their belief in you and prevents them from bringing opportunities and ideas your way. Therefore, even when you feel incapable, you must hold this secret within. Keep your doubts to yourself, decide privately that you can do it, and only express the final decision. Do not voice the thought, "I might fail." This is not to be shared. Second, if you want to be successful, do not tell your plans to anyone. This is an extremely crucial foundational rule in ancient Stoicism for success. Nowadays on social media, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and others, we hear people sharing their plans. Let me share a secret with you. Over 50% of people who announce their plans do not achieve them. The reason is, once you tell people, many opinions and distractions arise, making it significantly harder to accomplish that plan. Therefore, do not tell anyone any kind of plan until it has become effective and achieved. Hold your plans within you. Struggle and strive to achieve them. But do not go around telling everyone, "I've planned this. I'll do it like this. Tomorrow it will be like that." The more you talk about your plans, the further you drift from success. So, especially the first, and now this second secret I've told you, is crucial for success. Do not reveal your future plans to anyone. Third, do not reveal your weaknesses to any individual. As I've just explained, not everything needs to be laid bare. Saying doing this tires me, this is my weakness, this is my flawed part. When you tell people these things, people expose themselves. You must not tell anyone your weaknesses. Unless it's a matter of health or another serious problem, there is no reason to tell people about your weaknesses. Therefore, hold your weaknesses within you in secret. If you acknowledge your weaknesses privately, you will put in significant effort to improve them. You will grow and learn from them on your own. However, if you tell everyone, "I can't do this," and say, "This is my weak side," you allow others to target your vulnerable side. Therefore, the weak side is a secret not to be told to anyone. So if you want to be successful, hold your weaknesses in secret, just as you hold your future plans and your doubts. Not sharing your weaknesses with anyone is a path to success. Fourth, do not tell your personal complaints or sorrows to anyone. Your personal complaints and sadness Thoughts like, "I'm not happy in my life. I have complaints about this," should not be known by anyone. The more you express these sorrows and complaints, the more people might use them to mock your grief or provoke your complaints. Therefore, hold your sorrows and complaints in secret and fight your own battles. We are human, and we experience hurt and sorrow. However, there is no benefit in expressing every minor hurt and sorrow to people. So not sharing these vulnerable sides of yours, your sorrows and complaints, is one of the secrets of success. If you observe many effective people, they do not share every sorrow and complaint, because expressing everything they experience creates an opening. Therefore, successful people are not willing to tell you every sorrow and every complaint in their lives. Fifth, do not talk about what you have achieved or what you have become. Do not go telling everyone, "Today I accomplished this. Today I did that." The more you talk about your successes and victories to everyone, the more you attract attention from people. If you do this, you may also forget your main goal by rejoicing in small things. Therefore, you have no obligation to share your joy and success with every individual. Even if it feels very important, you must choose the people you need to tell. Do not announce every success and victory to everyone. Instead, learn from your successes and victories to prepare for greater victories and successes, and hold these small wins and successes within you. Some successes, of course, we cannot hide. They are visible to everyone. We can't do anything about that. They are already public. However, it is not required of us to go around announcing and boasting about victories and successes that no one knows about. If you observe successful people, they do not tell you about every victory and every success, but in the end, they achieve the grand success and victory prize. Therefore, small successes and victories should be kept secret. Finally, do not tell your emotions to people. We are human, and we experience many emotions: highs, lows, happiness, sorrow. All of these are part of our lives because we are human. However, the more we express every emotion, when we are hurt, happy, sad, or feeling high or low, the more this pushes us backward from success. Therefore, people who are successful carry their emotions themselves, control them, and achieve victory. We are human, we hurt, and we grieve. But we do not go around telling everyone, "Today we are elated, today we are sad." If we want to be effective, we must take this sorrow we feel privately, overcome it, and conquer it. Then we emerge as a new person. Therefore, we should not increase pressure on ourselves by talking and speaking about every emotion we experience in our lives. If we want to be successful, we must overcome our emotions privately and emerge privately. Today, I have told you the ancient Stoic philosophy's secrets for success, things we must not share with anyone. Many of the world's great people have used this, and it has guided many to a successful life. We believe you have gained very profound knowledge from this video. If you want to be successful, we have told you the secrets you must not tell anyone. We believe that by holding these secrets privately, you can become successful. Please share your thoughts and opinions in the comment box. You can also leave any crucial, instructive topic you would like us to cover next. Until we meet again with another instructive, crucial, and timely idea, farewell.